Can AI revolutionize farming for the future? Join me as we journey into the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and agriculture, a future where technology could redefine how we grow and sustain food globally. With an estimated global population of 9.7 billion by 2050, the need for innovative solutions to amplify agricultural productivity has never been more urgent. Could AI be the missing puzzle piece? Let's dig in. Modern agriculture stands at a crossroads, grappling with overwhelming challenges. Climate change, shifting weather patterns and extreme conditions such as droughts and floods disrupt crop cycles. Soil degradation, diminishing soil fertility threatens long-term productivity and crop quality. Food security, despite advances, millions worldwide still experience hunger, amplifying the demand for sustainable practices. The traditional methods are reaching their limits. It's clear we need bold innovation to transform farming. So how does AI step in as a game changer? Farmers are no strangers to technologies like tractors and GPS-guided planting. However, AI amplifies this progression by deploying innovations that are not only efficient, but also environmentally sustainable. Examples include precision agriculture. Tailored algorithms optimize crop yields by processing real-time data on weather, soil conditions, and plant health. AI-powered drones. These flying assistants scan fields to detect early signs of pest outbreaks and disease. Predictive analytics. Farmers can now forecast yields, prices, and risks, enabling smarter planning with greater accuracy. These tools empower farmers to make informed decisions. Beyond increasing productivity, they contribute to combating urgent challenges like climate change and resource inefficiency. In India, drones equipped with AI-driven cameras are revolutionizing the monitoring process. Early detection of disease has reduced pesticide use dramatically while improving harvest quality. This advancement is proving especially impactful for small-scale farmers. Granular, an innovative company based in the United States, uses AI to analyze data like soil quality and weather patterns. Farmers using this technology have reported up to a 10% boost in crop yields, transforming their economic outlook. Take, for example, a California farmer grappling with water waste. By employing AI-powered irrigation, he cut water consumption by 20% and achieved a 12% increase in yields. Not only did this save money, but it also set a new standard for sustainable farming practices. These case studies underline the transformative potential of AI in global agriculture. AI doesn't just solve problems, it introduces efficiency and sustainability on multiple fronts. Reducing wastage. With detailed insights, farmers avoid overuse of resources like water and fertilizers. Adapting to climate challenges. Real-time data allows proactive measures against unfavorable weather impacts. Environmental protection. AI-driven precision means reduced reliance on harmful chemicals and better land stewardship. As a result, AI bridges the gap between productivity and environmental responsibility, two goals that historically seemed at odds. The exponential growth of AI technology suggests that this is just the beginning. Imagine a world where robots autonomously manage labor-intensive tasks like planting and harvesting. AI-powered forecasting minimizes food loss across the supply chain. Personalized farming recommendations optimize results for every plot of land and climate. AI isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift for agriculture. However, no revolutionary technology comes without hurdles. Adopting AI in farming faces challenges like cost of implementation. Many small-scale farmers lack the resources to integrate AI tools. Skill gap. Training farmers in high-tech solutions remains an ongoing obstacle. Data privacy. Ethical concerns arise around ownership and management of the collected farming data. Navigating these issues with effective policies and community support will determine AI's future in agriculture. AI stands at the forefront of innovation, holding the potential to transform how we produce and consume food. Whether you're a tech enthusiast excited for cutting-edge machine learning applications or a farmer seeking sustainable solutions, AI offers a bridge to a better future. In achieving this, collaboration between farmers, tech developers, and policymakers is essential. Together, they can scale AI applications to make them accessible globally while addressing ethical challenges. AI redefines the possibilities of farming, offering tools to address climate challenges, boost yields, and promote sustainability. The examples we've explored today are only the tip of the iceberg. As the global population grows, aligning innovation with agricultural demands is imperative, and AI feels poised to go the distance. Thanks for tuning in. What are your thoughts on the role of AI in agriculture? I'd love to hear your perspective in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with more explorations of tech-powered sustainability. See you in the next video.